Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you a story about Big Black Bag. It is a playful story about a mysterious bag that appears suddenly and fills everyone with curiosity and excitement as they try to discover what is inside. So let's start the story. Can I help you, Mr. Owen? Paper and a pen, please. Here you are. No, not white paper. Pink paper, please. Sorry, here you are. What else, boss? Scissors, please. Here you are. Thank you, Trevor. What else, boss? I need chocolate. Here you are. I need decorations too. Decorations? Yes, Trevor. Trevor, I need fire. Come with me. Hi, Mum. This is Mr. Owen. Mr. Owen, this is my mum. Nice to meet you, young man. Nice to meet you too. Good job, Trevor. A bag, please. A big black bag. No, Trevor, I need a nice bag. I am sorry, Mr. Owen. Here you are. It is ready. Thank you, Trevor. What is it? A gift for my mum. Sorry. Today it's Mother Day. This is a card for my mum. This is a photo of me. And these are muffins. Oh no! Is it Mother's Day today? Mr. Owen, help me please. What do you need, Trevor? I need a muffin. Here you are. Have a nice evening. Goodbye, Mr. Owen. Thank you for listening to my story. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and share to my channel. See you in the next video.